Good evening. I realized that I was a bit of a tease. I made some videos about resiliency and research and child welfare and basically alluded to the beginnings of how to research. Research is a very complicated area of study. I've had about 6 different research type classes in school and graduate school. So I've had a lot of experience in different areas were brought up when I said research, and I realized this is a little bit more complicated than just Google search and do this, because it's a lot more complicated. There's something called rigor in research, and like rigor mortis, but it's called rigor, and you need to kind of be a little bit strict and understanding how many people are in a study. So how is this generalizable to the public? Or is this a small town? Is a small study of 100 people that's not really generalizable? It's interesting, but not generalizable. So you have to see, what is it saying? It's not just if it's 5 people had good benefits from something. That's good. That's interesting. But that's not compelling as far as a body of research. So I tried to put down a few little points. I can make separate videos of these because I'm almost at the 2-minute point, and then I only have 1 minute to go over all these bullet points. So yes, you could Google search. If you have a library card, you can get more PDFs, and you want the complete PDF of the journal article. And that's because if you just look at the abstract or you just look at the small blurb, you will see what they analyzed and what they reported. But sometimes you can make research say whatever you want. And that's because if you read the actual article, you can find out if it was skewed questions, if the data was inputted in a different way, what were the significance versus what types of research analyses were used, what was the format, and these all talk about the strength and reliability of the measure of research. So how to critically evaluate research is what I was going to quickly go over. The first one is topic, thesis, if, and then statement.